Dignitaries on the dais, Professor Rajashekharan Pillai, Professor Srivatsan, and Ms. Archana Gulati. Ladies and gentlemen, my colleagues in DIT and other delegates from abroad, and good afternoon to all of you. It's my privilege to be here to address the August gathering to talk about IT mass literacy. Having done a PhD in computer science, having 25 years of experience in computer science, I mean, for me, literacy means, computer literacy means, almost became part of my life. For the last study, I mean, as a student life onwards, 82 onwards, I have been using computers. Earlier, good old days of Microsuns and those terminals, and then all those. I have even worked with punch cards too. Now today, even the systems of whatever the high-tech media that you have been using it. So then I thought, okay, I have taken this division as a head of the division of HRD in DIT a month ago, and people are talking about this is one of the important activity. For people like me, literacy looks to be it's a part of life. Everybody is using it. 800 million people who are having cell phones. So digital literacy in India is not a big deal. And if you go to any mall in any of the big cities, if you catch hold of 10 boys or girls of around the age of 30, at least 90% of them are engineers. At least 8 people of them, of 10, 8 of 10 people that you are getting in any of these malls are software engineers in India. And people say that the slogan that for every successful man, there is a man behind it. But at the same time, there is a woman behind any successful man. Just like that, for every successful IT product which is coming out of this world, there is an Indian behind it. So that is a standard saying, and so for Indians and for other people nowadays, IT literacy is not a big deal. I thought like that. So then who will use it? Then I thought, what is literacy? What is IT literacy? The moment you talk about literacy, people think about it is for school dropout people or some villagers who are not going to the schools, or very poor people who wants to survive for or strive for the livelihoods. So for them, it is literacy is important. Like Ms. Arjuna showed the figure. No, it is not. IT literacy is useful for anybody. Okay. Then I thought, what is the definition of IT literacy? Just for a while, I thought, what is literacy? Education gives empowerment. Then what is IT? IT gives you efficiency, speed of things that you can do it. More efficiently you can do the same thing. Then what is C? C gives you connectedness. In a country where you have 1 billion people, if everybody is empowered, if everybody's work has been improved with the intervention of IT, and you are fully connected 1 billion people, then you can build a powerful nation. So literacy gives that much of power, IT literacy gives that much of power to this country. Okay. Then just now I said that people are having, more than 800 million people are having cell phones. So every second person, even right from the cobbler to fruit seller to even a big person, any of the big wigs of giants or big giants in the market, they are having cell phones. If not one, at least more than 2 or 3 cell phones. So everybody is using digital literacy. Then who requires this digital literacy? Then I thought, just 10 years of my personal experiences, who are using it? Then I saw some websites, and I saw some Google things, people who are using it. If you see most of the courses, if you talk about library science, if you talk about social services science, across the globe, in most of the developed universities also, you are having a IT literacy course specially designed for social science research people, library science people. There is a special course. Just like in engineering, we have studied humanities. All the humanities people are now studying IT literacy. Oh, that's great. Then I thought, okay, India, everybody is IT savvy guys, and if you see the social networking sites today, the population on the social networking sites, the total population is almost comparable to after India and China. That would be third largest nation. If you take all the people who are connected in the social networking sites and consider them as one nation people, then that would be the third largest after India and China. Then if that is the case, who are all using this literacy? Then I will just bring out some of the examples that I come across during my last 10 years or 15 years of life. I will just go back 10 years ago, what had happened. 10 years ago, when we went to, when I am working as a scientist in the Media Lab Asia, around Mr. Ravi Gupta was also here, I saw him. Along with him, we went to a nearby village near to Faridabad, around 10 kilometers from there. So I went along with them, how ICT can be useful for the common man, the villagers, how ICT can help them to do their life in a better way, whatever they are doing daily routine in a better way, how ICT can improve their lives. Then we were discussing various issues. Somebody brought a visiting card of his, and he showed me some of my distant relative who has studied, who is a computer scientist, and he is working in US. Oh, then I took his visiting card. I saw that there is an email ID. So what I did was, good, would you like to talk to him? Yeah, very much. I could not have any phone. I could not talk to him whenever he comes once in a year. Okay, I do one thing. What I did was, using my laptop, I took his picture and I asked him just speak something. I have recorded his voice along with the picture. I took it back to my office, sent an email attachment to that guy. And next day I got a reply from that guy, great, I could see my relative is very fine. How could you get it? How could you get him this recording? Then I went back next day to the same village and I displayed the same picture along with the recording. I played it back to the villager. He said, yeah, very great. So you have done a good thing. And how could you get his picture who is around 20,000 kilometers away? So he also did the same thing. When I placed it, he was so thrilled. That villager, poor villager sitting in around 20,000 kilometers away from his relative, and he could see his voice recording and everything, and he was thrilled. So based on that, we have designed a software package for community interfaces package, where you can have the pictures. A villager need not see exactly the email and other thing. He need not understand. He could see on the screen some of the pictures of his relative, click on that,